Theravent is easy, but you gotta do it right. Now, the strips are lightweight and breathable, as in, you can breathe through them. And yeah, I'd rather my nose go commando. I'd also rather eat pizza at every meal and not gain a pound.
What? You look great.
Theravent works.
And so you wear it, and I thank you.
Now here's why you snore. The soft tissue back here relaxes partially, and when that happens, even a little, that tissue starts vibrating, and that's what makes the sound. To work, Theravent has to form a seal. So, take your time. Now first, you wash your face. Now, it's a good idea to do this in a mirror. Grab your strip. Remove the back. Center it over your nostrils. Press down and wrap around, making sure the seal is nice and snug. And you can test it by covering the little hole in the middle, trying a quick exhale.
Happy to help.
Now, if you feel a little air escaping out the sides, just press along the strip and try again. There. Okay, it's on. And you're good to go. To bed.